Hello friends, I am dietitian Forum Savla and we are shooting outdoors today. You want to know the reason why? Because everybody has this notion, what do dietitians do when they go on a holiday? Do they really follow a diet or they are binging but they still come back the same how they were? So what's the secret behind this? Let's unlock the secret today, and today I'm going to show you an entire day of my break in terms of eating. So, how I'll manage my breakfast, then the mid meals, and how the entire day will go, what kind of binges I'm going to do today, and finally, what kind of exercise I'm going to follow. So, stay tuned. Now, we are going to meet on the breakfast table. Hi guys, I told you that I will show you the breakfast that I'm going to eat, but first I'll show you what's served in the platter and then what choices I made. Okay, so let's switch the camera to my plate. Now see, this is the platter that is served. So normally we have either cornflakes or chocos, okay? So which normally people like to take everything a part of it. So this plate is where what is there on the platter, and the next plate will be what I am going to eat. So this is the chocos, this is tea, coffee or milk that is served. This is the juice. This is coconut chutney, this is sambar. There is going to be one dosa also coming. So that's on the menu. This is misal. This is sandwich. Now sandwich has cucumber, lettuce and mayo. This is the farsan that they serve with the misal. This is the pav. This is the bread toast that normally is there on the platter. So this is the platter which is there. Now this plate is my plate. Now I have taken dosa, which I am going to either eat half because it's a very big one and I had to take the whole one, but I'm not going to finish the whole one. This is misal, but this is the misal, yeah, with onions. But I have not taken the farsan because I didn't want the fried stuff to really go in. I have taken the sandwich. I don't know how much I'll finish. The sandwich is without butter. This is the sambar and chutney. So what I'll do is I'll eat 1/4 dosa with the misal and other 1/4 with the South Indian accompaniments. And I have not taken juice or anything. I have taken milk, and this is a powder. This is a homemade turmeric powder. So due to Corona times, we prefer taking this. So since at home I take turmeric milk, but here I just get this powder along, so you can just mix it with the milk and it will become my turmeric milk. So this is the platter. I am sure because of the mask my voice quality will be a little low, but I'm in an area where the mask is supposed to be there. So that is why I can't remove my mask, but we'll definitely put this entire thing in the description box as well. Hey guys, I finished my breakfast and I'm without the mask because there I couldn't speak loudly and there were a lot of people and there was mask. So you saw how the whole platter had so many things which we could eat, but always select which is good for you. Okay, so now what happened is there was misal. So what I did, I took pulses out of the misal. Okay, along with that I didn't add farsan because it was fried and I did not need it, frankly. I added lemon and I added onions, so it gave me the taste. Now instead of white bread, what I did is I took a dosa only. I ate dosa with misal and I ate the other dosa with sambar and chutney. So it gave me a feel of both the South Indian cuisine as well as I could taste my misal also. There is no harm in eating bread or a pav that is available, but it's just that I didn't feel like eating it today in the morning. And I like sandwiches, so I took one half of a sandwich, which is like one bread, which had a good amount of lettuce and cucumbers, so that took care of my fiber intake as well. So unfortunately, because of the staff constraint due to corona, the spread was not that huge. But sometimes we really have huge spread, and they have a lot of salads, sprouts, a lot of lettuce greens, or some microgreens. So you can always try your hands on that so that you increase your fiber intake in the morning. Okay, and, who also take fruits. So there are fruits also in the platter, and they take fruits along with the breakfast. I don't prefer doing that. So on the contrary, I always request those people that can I pack a little bit of fruit for myself, my portion, and then I take it approximately 2 to 3 hours after breakfast when I'm on a break.
Or the second option is what I do is I always have whole fruits with me, something like a banana or a pear or a apple. So I have that after approximately 1.5 to 2.5 hours whenever I'm hungry after my breakfast. So now stay tuned. We will meet at a my fruit time. Hello friends, I'm back again, and now this is my fruit time. So it's approximately 2 hours from the time I had my breakfast, and I'm heading towards Panchgini. And as I said, I couldn't pack those fruits. It was watermelon, and I didn't want to pack it. So I've got these nakas with me. They're in season right now, pear, and I'm going to have them and going to get started for my journey to Panchgini. So on the way, what all I eat, I will keep you updated. Bye bye. I am at Bagicha right now for my lunch. So we couldn't figure out anything at Panchgini. We had to come back to Mahabaleshwar. So this is an authentic Maharashtrian thali and it is a must try. So let us see what he's given me right now. He's given me a dry green chutney. He's given me a mixed vegetable raita and some pickle. And today I'm going to cheat. I'm going to eat everything what is here. So let's see what is coming further. हे काय आहे मटकीची उसळ. दिस इज मटकी उसळ. हे बेसनचं पिठलं. वाव, यम्मी. आणि हे लसूण आलू. दिस इज लसूण आलू. And this is my favorite authentic Maharashtrian dal with lasun ka forma. So I can't wait. I'm going to try and we'll get back. This is another vegetable, makkai ka sabji, which is a specialty here. This is curry, थोड़ा सा है, that's it. और ये बैंगन का सब्जी है. Okay, perfect. I have to eat all this with jawari bhakri. So I'm waiting for the bhakri to come. Okay, so this is jawari bhakri and chapati, and I'm going to enjoy all this with the jawari bhakri. Let me taste this. It's out of the world, and it is also nutritious because we are eating this with jawari bhakri, which is a whole grain. Makkai sabji, again rich in fiber. Misal, which is a pulse. So it's a complete meal, I feel, and superb in taste. Must try, guys. Okay, now this is the second round. I finished my bhakris, I finished my chapatis. Now this is the authentic Mahabaleshwar rice, and this is yummy. I mean, if you just eat it like that, it's like so sweet and nice. It's very good. And they also serve khichdi, but since I am not a khichdi fan, I have not taken it. So I'm going to mix the dal and rice. I've kept little potato bhaji and little thecha with this. So I'm going to mix all of this and enjoy my final meal. So do try this. And the buttermilk is awesome. It's so sweet and nice. It's superb. So it kind of completes the entire meal. And the Jain food, so there was a Jain passenger with us. So the Jain food here, they specially made it for us, and that was also awesome. So it is a must try, guys. All in all, a very nutritious, nice meal at Bagicha, Bagicha Garden. Hello friends, this is my tea time. So after a very good lunch at Bagicha, I slept, and for 1.5 hours I was fast asleep with all that heavy lunch, and now it's my tea time. So this is my homemade tea, which I made it in the kettle, and this is the khakra which I've got from home. So I'm going to enjoy this, post which I will have a fruit, and then what's there for dinner, we'll meet for dinner. Bye bye. Hi guys, so I am here for my dinner. Today I'm going to eat at Farmhouse Bistro, which serves Italian food. So today is my cheat day, and I'm going to have all the lovely pizzas, pastas, risottos full of cheese. So follow me. Hello guys, this is the morning of Mahabaleshwar, and believe me, the morning walk run
was amazing, and I never get up early in the morning during my holidays, but I had a very heavy meal yesterday, as we all saw, and I had to burn those calories. So exercise and food together will not cause any harm to you on your holiday. Now, bye bye.